If you want to edit a slow motion video on POCO M8 Pro, first of all we need to open a gallery. Next we're gonna go ahead and open our slow motion video, and then at the bottom here we have this circle with another circle behind. So you can tap on this button and grant all the necessary permissions, and now over here we can edit our slow motion video. Over here we have two timelines, so we have the main timeline over here where we can move forward and go backwards, but also in here above we have the slow motion effect timeline, so you can see the area which is in slow motion. We can actually extend it to the whole video if you want to, or you can just move it around and apply the slow motion effect only in the selected moment. There we go. And that is pretty much it. Of course, once you are done, we can tap on this check in the bottom right corner. Let the phone save the video. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.